What does it take to keep the nation on the move? To absorb the strains of our modern way of life? Our need for communication. To keep the wheels of industry turning too. To give strength to the workhorses of the world. To have the resilience to take the weight of the nation. And to contribute to the things which make life easier, less strenuous, and which enhance our leisure hours. Come on a trip on the Tube and explore some of the skills and resources needed at Tube Products Limited. Tube Products is the largest single producer of precision welded straight steel tube in Britain. Tens of millions of meters of tube are produced annually on modern facilities in an extensive size range and in a variety of sections and materials. Tube Products is a shining example of how many years of technical experience and sound investment have been redirected with foresight and energy to meeting the needs of an amazing range of customers. Our trip on the Tube includes a number of routes for the volume production of straight precision steel tube made by high-frequency current welding techniques, as well as its subsequent manipulation and fabrication. Much of this tube is conventional, standard made in high volumes, but one area of technical advance is in tube for the closest dimensional tolerances. Tube Products' cold-drawn welded tube has been taken in recent years into application areas unheard of for a welded tube product, and where welded tube integrity, strength, and performance are proven in practice beyond all doubt. Such an advance has only been possible by a high level of engineering research and quality assurance measures, achieving dimensional accuracy, tube concentricity, and superb surface condition, both in the bore and on the circumference of the tube. Tube Products has now developed a patented process, true bore. Welded tube has an internal fin which can be expensive to remove on high-strength steels. Now, true bore produces a smooth, clean bore free of the risk of residues from the cutting process. In fact, many tube-making quality improvement techniques have been pioneered over the years at Tube Products. The company has held registered firm status to BS 5750 Part 2 since 1984 and was the first maker of welded tube to be awarded a registration by the British Standards Institute. With the recent enhancement of this standard, Tube Products assisted the BSI in compiling the quality assessment schedule for the welded tube industry. The company now also holds registration to ISO 9002, the equivalent international standard, but has exported its products for many years, particularly those of higher added value. The attention to quality is no academic exercise. It is a tangible sign of Tube Products' commitment to those customers who employ our tube for safety-critical and technically demanding needs. A key area of investment has been the installation of inline ultrasonic and eddy current testing of all tube hollows, a thorough search for imperfections in steel quality, weld integrity, and surface condition. But equally important to the consistency of Tube Products' output has been a technique widely implemented in the plant, statistical process control, SPC. The keynote of SPC is defect prevention rather than defect detection. Working and monitoring practices are set out for operators trained to carry out and record the key characteristics of what they are producing, and thus identify potential faults before they develop. Quality procedures and SPC is of great benefit to us as manufacturers. and to our customers, the tube users, enabling them to place high levels of reliance on our products, to improve their batch yields, and to cut down on goods inwards inspection and costly delays and returns. Tube Products holds many approvals to manufacture from external government, certifying and trade authorities, and customer house approvals, often the most demanding of all. And for many of our product applications, quality assurance can be so important. Tube Products has developed a totally new pre-coated conduit, passing the BS 4568 Class 4 approval, so achieving a low-cost product at the highest quality level. For the electrical contracting industry, steel conduit in various finishes is still unrivaled as a fire-resistant material. The integrity of the tube may provide vital minutes of protection to a building's electrical system in the event of a fire, a facet of quality which its commonplace appearance totally belies. This is true of much of Tube Products' output, at first glance so straightforward, but with built-in qualities which have turned welded tube from a Cinderella commodity to a high-tech product, capable of playing its part in so many finished goods, in sub-assemblies, in construction, power generation. And a part is not only what our customers make of our tube, for Tube Products has a resource second to none in making parts itself, or more precisely, tubular manipulations, millions of them every year, in the largest facility of its kind in the UK, a resource fully integrated with a tube mill on the same site, with all the advantages that offers. Added value tubular products are a major area of the company's business, where investment in new plant has been equally vigorous, and where production, planning and control, quality procedures, research and development, all are applied as much here as in any other part of our activity. Manipulations are processed in high volumes or specialized batches, some with the simplest of operations, others with highly complex manipulation and fabrication techniques, including robotic welding, machining, forming and finishing. Bus, coach and train seat frames are a specialized part of this business, where Tube Products have worked with customers to develop and improve their specifications over the years. This practice applies to other manipulated components too, where the customer's mechanical and assembly requirements are evaluated and a component developed into a design and prototype for testing. Tube Products engineers contribute to cost-efficient solutions for achieving the necessary function of the component, as well as determining the best method of producing that component in-house, and so achieve the best unit cost. Joint product development is one of the keys to the future, using the latest design techniques and engineering skills, extending our range and versatility by problem sharing and problem solving. By removing concerns about continuity of supply, by computerized production planning to meet all kinds of complex scheduling and call-up requirements, and by providing a truly reliable research, development and manufacturing resource, we enable our customers to reduce their overheads and inventory, limit expenditure, engineering research and materials testing. Encouraging the use of precision welded tube with all its economic advantages and enhanced mechanical properties. All this is not a planned extension of our resources. It's the here and now. The best-known names in industry are taking our skills and experience and employing them to full effect, taking nothing for granted, but proving to themselves the quality of our products and service. Taking the material into new realms. Taking to new manufacturing routes, to new applications. Taking the benefits to their productivity and profitability. taking the commercial advantages into their marketplace. Taking what we do and applying it to what they do best. Taking a trip on the tube. Tube Products Tube.